What is sprint planning and why is it crucial in the Scrum framework? In the world of Scrum, sprint planning is a pivotal event that sets the pace for a successful sprint. It's the time when the Scrum team collectively decides what they aspire to accomplish in the imminent sprint. Firstly, the sprint goal is established. This goal is proposed by the product owner, who illustrates how the product's value and utility could escalate in the current sprint. The Scrum team then collaborates to articulate a sprint goal that encapsulates the value of the sprint to stakeholders. It's important to note that this goal must be finalized before the sprint planning session concludes. Next, the Scrum team selects the work. Engaging in discussions with the product owner, the developers choose items from the product backlog to be included in the sprint. The refinement of these items is a key part of this stage, as it enhances understanding and boosts confidence. The real challenge, however, lies in predicting how much work can feasibly be completed within the sprint. To make such forecasts, developers draw from their past performance, upcoming capacity, and the definition of done. The final key aspect of sprint planning is planning the work. For each selected product backlog item, the developers plan the necessary work to create an increment that meets the definition of done. To make this task manageable, developers may break down items into smaller work units, often one day or less. The sprint goal, selected backlog items, and the plan for delivering them combine to form the sprint backlog. Keep in mind that sprint planning is time-boxed to a maximum of 8 hours for a 1-month sprint, with shorter events for shorter sprints. It's the transparency and collaboration of the Scrum team during this process that sets the groundwork for a successful sprint. In summary, sprint planning is a vital event in the Scrum framework, where the Scrum team collaboratively establishes the sprint goal, selects and refines work from the product backlog, plans the necessary work, and forms the sprint backlog. This process is time-boxed and requires the team's transparency and collaboration to lay the foundations for a productive sprint. It's the blueprint for success in the world of Scrum.